Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim and this is Kimberley Vlogs XO. Picking up with a new vlog. It is actually Sunday. No, it's Saturday. Anyway, I'm washing a little bit of clothes. We've had our niece with us last night and she's with us again today. But Hakeem brought her on the road to run a couple errands. Or the plumber is supposed to come by and take a look at our toilet. It's been running and the water bill is now crazy because the toilet has been running, and I'm just not even going to get into that because that's just annoying for me to have to be dealing with that right now. We are here, Home Ownership Chronicles. That literally is it. I feel like when you buy a home, I don't think a lot of persons, I think in recent time I've been seeing persons talk more about the gripes of home ownership. It's a great thing to do. It's something that is part of portfolio building and, you know, developing yourself. And as a young married couple, that's one of our goals that we had, was to own a home. And thankfully we were able to do that year. Well, we bought the place like 3 years into the marriage, so we moved in earlier this year. So, but we're happy that we're able to do it. God is good. All praise and glory go to him, because without him, I don't know. Yeah, it's a very sticky process. But anyway, I don't think a lot of persons talk about the gripes of home ownership. It seems all hunky-dory and perfect and everything, and it's a great thing to do. But I feel like you have to expect the unexpected. You have to be ready for certain things that come up. You have to be open-minded. You have to stay flexible. You have to be water, which is one of my favorite sayings from Bruce Lee. Be water. You have to be flexible. Because there are things like I've cried over this place, I have got upset, I've thrown things because it's just a process that I feel like we're always spending money. I feel like every month there's always some money that we have to shell out for something, whether it's insurance, whether it's fees for something, whether it's a bill, whether it's, you know, it's just never ending. I feel like the sweet spot for home ownership. All right, there are two sweet spots for home ownership. One, when you find a place that you can vision your life in, that moment of like realization, like this is our home, this is it. That's one. And the second sweet spot is like 20 years down the line, when you realize that, okay, now you can kind of start to breathe a little bit, because, you know, the mortgage either reduce a little bit, or you're starting to see value in investment, and or that slash if you only plan to buy to flip. So you buy a place, you plan to fix it up and then sell it right away. Those are, so it's like three sweet spots, but really two sweet spots, because it's, you know, it's either or. Right now with living here, and it's coming up on a year. Next month is going to be a year that we've lived here, and it's been a journey. You would have seen other vlogs that I would have done, a lot of weekly vlogs of setting up the place from when we first moved in. You would have seen the whole journey. So if you have been here since then and you've been watching along, comment down below. So I think I'm gonna just go make the bed. We have some packages coming later, and I don't know what else we're gonna get up to other than dropping our niece home and maybe making some food and opening some packages, because I got some more Amazon packages. I feel like we've been getting a lot of packages, but we're trying to get everything together before we go off on our vacation, on our anniversary trip. So we've been buying a few things to kind of settle in here, and also not necessarily for the trip, but just some things we need for home, and then also trying to beat the Christmas rush with getting packages for the end of the year. So we've been doing a lot of like last minute shopping and prepping and then something there. So yeah, so you'll see that later. I'm gonna get into just fixing up myself, finishing up. I need to charge this battery, but I think I should be getting a new battery charging, because I cannot for the life of me find my charger, because I have a charging tray that I put my camera batteries on, and I don't know where it gone. I always keep it on my office desk and I don't know where it is. So I bought a new one with 3 new batteries, so now I can never have an excuse to not vlog because battery down or whatever. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll catch up back with you later.
You know what it is?
Today is the 10th, the 9th. Right, so guys, in fact, this package came that I had bought 2 things for us to share for Christmas. I hope I eat enough. Yeah, it's it. Alright. I hope it comes out good.
Someone pin picture pan?
Kinda, yeah. For you.
What?
To wear. This is Kimberley. Oh my god, it's not bad at all. And then I got one. Let me show the camera. You want to see it, Ishane? You want to see it? This is the shirt. And I got these pictures on it. Here. With a bag there. And then, this is the one I bought for myself.
But I don't know what picture it is.
My favorite pictures of you.
So when me only have 4 pictures, you have so much?
I have like 5.
Exactly. So why me only have 4?
Because I look, oh, they come out really nice though. They cut off your head top is so low. Yeah. So these are the ones I chose. I'm excited to wear it. This is cute. Hi guys. It is, what is today? Today is Sunday. We are on our way down to Old Harbor. Excuse my pimple patch. I am reaching for all resources I can right now because I am breaking out hormonally. I really don't know. I think 30 decade 30 for me has been a very transitional time for my body. I have been experiencing all sorts of breakouts, all sorts of moods, all sorts of feels, and just, you know, I'm 33 now, and it really is a thing for me where I am trying my best to just take care of myself, like actually focus on take caring myself, prioritizing it, not just saying, oh, I'm gonna do it and then I just do some 1 or 2 things, but actually sticking to certain things. I got that bug. But yeah, just trying to stick to certain things and making myself a priority health wise. So coming into this year, I just realized, because I did do like some different blood tests and stuff, you know, usual checkups and full body workups with my specialist and so forth, because I do struggle with autoimmune things. I have been trying to reduce my inflammation and get myself to a point where I start feeling good again. So I've been taking my supplements. I have been changing my diet, so I've been cutting back on sugar a lot. Usually I would drink juice with like, I'm a juice girl, I'm a sugar girl. I get that from my daddy. My dad loves sugar as well, but he himself needs to cut back on certain things. But he is pretty much a health nut in a way. So health stuff, I'm just trying to get healthy and be the best that I can be and drink more water. I keep myself stocked up when it comes down to water. Like, right, this is my go-to bottle. If you want a bottle like this, it's called Coldest, the Coldest brand. Yeah, this is the color I got because, yeah, it's pretty, and it's really big. It's a 32-ounce bottle. Hakeem has a 64-ounce bottle, and it keeps your water cool for 24 hours. Once you put the ice in there, or you put cold water in there, but we usually just put ice in there so it stays a little bit longer than the 24 hours. So there's no excuse if the water is not cool enough. So I get this and I just drink it. I keep myself hydrated, guys. It's so important to keep yourself hydrated. And just make sure you take your supplements, go doctor and do your workup if you can do your workup, and listen to your body. I think that's the #1 thing. Listen to your body. Like, it's your body. It's the #1 thing that you own. If anything else in the world goes, you know that this is the one thing that you own. It's your personal vessel. You are yourself, and if you don't take care of yourself, it's not going to work out for you at all. You have to be whole here, and by whole I mean mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, which is the most important thing. Spiritual unalignment are the worst thing you can do to yourself, so or allow for happen to yourself, because there are forces all around us. But I think just in general, you have to take yourself seriously. If you don't take yourself seriously, nobody not gonna do it for you. So speaking of goals for 2025, I am thinking that I have set some goals for myself. We are both, Hakeem and I have couple goals. So we're trying to, I'm not, let me tell you, I'm not, all right, we have some goals for ourselves that I'm not going to mention, because I don't want to put them out into the universe for people to hear that don't necessarily have good intentions for us. I know there are a lot of people that may watch us, or may watch me, or may see me and wish me well, and those people reach out and stuff. But in general, you have to move in silence, I guess, and just communicate it to God. But we have some goals for 2025. But personal goals for myself I can share is that I'm going to be cutting back on the number of things I buy. That's a serious thing for me. If it's not something like big things, like, you know, just things that make sense, that are investment type things, that type of thing, I'm going to cut back on things. But frivolous things like clothes and makeup, well, I've stopped kind of wearing makeup, and I've stopped going out to do my nails. I have stopped getting my hair done for now, because I'm transitioning, so I can braid my hair myself. So I really just keep my hair braided, so I can manage these things myself. So like self-care things like that, if it really is like a thing where I feel like I need to treat myself, then yeah. But I'm cutting back on the amount of things I purchase, because I'm really trying to cut back on spending and unnecessary spending in general. So if you have those goals for yourself, those are important goals to have. And then also I'm going to pour into myself, pour into the things and the talents that I have. So I really want to get into voiceover work. I really want to get back into acting. I really want to get back into just focusing on this channel as well, and also prioritizing content creation, things like that, blogging. I'm getting back into writing for fun, because I write for a living every single day for work, and it becomes a thing where it becomes a chore for me. But now I'm starting to find a little rhythm, and then also figure out what I like and pour into those things as well, niche wise or space wise, on social media and just in content creation in general. And I think those are like the main goals. Things I'm going to continue, those are things like, you know, just keeping my connection with God and making sure that everything is right, continuing my health journey, and just focusing. 2025 is going to be a year of building for me and for my husband. It's going to be a year of prosperity and goodness and happiness and just blessings, and that's what I'm looking forward to for 2025. So comment below if you have goals for 2025. Yeah, Hakeem ran into the supermarket to grab some dog food for his mom, for his mom's dog, not dog food for his mom. I don't know what's going on. Those two ladies just passed and they were staring at my car. I don't think they were staring at me because they were looking down, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, there are lots of people passing, but yeah. So anyway, I finished editing one vlog for today, so that was a good thing for me. It was quick enough for me. It was a short vlog, like 50 minutes, but it was like a weekend vlog. So what I'm gonna do also, when I realized, after I edited it, I realized, I was like, this is like a weekend vlog, but the week before, if I edit that footage and put it out, it's gonna chronologically be confusing. So what I'm trying to do right now is actually carry my laptop with me on the road while we go down to Old Harbor. I'm actually going to try to edit a little bit, like some rough editing for this upcoming vlog. Oh, Hakeem left his phone. Hakeem left his phone in the car. Okay, I just see the ping on his phone that he made his purchase. So he probably will come out in the next minute or two. Why this man, I don't know how I'm left his phone, but so yes, I'm gonna edit this vlog and try to get them both up today. So today is December 8th. So if you watched on December 8th, this is the vlogs way after that, or the vlogs I'm posting were a couple weeks ago. I took a break from editing for 2 weeks because I don't know, I was just kind of tired and just not feeling motivated. But that's gonna stop. I need to stick to it because I've been on YouTube for like Has it been 10 years yet? See him right here, see him come. Yeah, I've been on YouTube for like 10 years and I'm trying to keep back up, so that's pretty much what I am trying to do. So yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to Starbucks. I need to find the drink that I'm gonna get is like a dirty chai. This is the drink I'm gonna get. Hopefully they can make it. Hello, hi. I wanted to get a mix, right? I vlog, so I'm trying to do a day in the life type of thing. So if you watch YouTube videos, you can like check out my channel.
Really?
Kimberley vlogs Xoxo. Light though. I guess the oat milk kind of make it light. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's not done. Okay.
Excuse me, please.
I've never had it before. I usually get matcha, but this time I want to try it. Yeah. Is there a particular name for it?
Well, not for this one. If you added coffee to it,
Oh,
dirty chai.
that's what I wanted. But I don't drink caffeine much.
A dirty chai has coffee.
Oh, okay. I see. Let me try it. Let's see. Oh.
That should be good. Chai is a good flavor.
Yeah, I love chai. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so showing you guys a drink that I got. So when I went into the Starbucks, I decided to take my camera out and like do some B-roll. And then the girl was like, look at that, she look round and she look on the camera. And then I was like, a vlog, because usually I'm so shy and so self-conscious about vlogging in public because people might think I'm weird. But I'm like, I'm gonna do it. And because I stepped out of my comfort zone, I got 2 new subscribers. So yeah, so big up to they said I must big them up on the vlog. So if you guys watch this, the baristas at the Starbucks on Great Hills, hi, thanks for the drink. This is a chai. If it was a dirty chai, it would have coffee in there, so that's not what I got because I try not to have a lot of caffeine. But this is a chai, iced chai latte with oat milk, and it is and then I also have strawberry syrup in it. Oh, we also got, what is it again? Fries? Wedges. I'll eat out the wedges. I don't like wedges.